So, a common thing that I grew up with was that's not your business. I think that's pretty common among most people, parents telling their children that, or authority figures, teachers, or whatnot. And the truism that's contained within that statement of it's not your business is that the business that is yours is this, and it literally stops at the skin. So anything outside the skin is not my business. And anything that's outside of your skin is not your business. So within that frame mindset, and I'm going to leave out the spirit and the soul at this point, and we're just going to talk about the form and the form as a business. Michael Watkins is a leadership professor in Switzerland, brilliant, and he was talking about the 6 qualities of a leader, which I found fascinating. And they are pattern recognition, system analysis, mental agility, problem solving, structured problem solving, visioning, and political savvy. And when he was saying those words, I was thinking to myself, how many people are watching this thinking that this is something that has to be applied outside of them, without realizing that every single one of those must be present within the individual before they even have the acumen with which to perceive that in a business or to implement those 6 strategies in a business. Because without the actual experience of having those 6 leadership skills and traits, then this is dysfunctional. And a dysfunctional mechanism running a business will definitely cause the business to also reap the rewards of dysfunctionality. And so I'm going to go into this in another video that's longer, and I'll take each section individually. But as you are listening here, think of yourself as a business. Think of everything that you say, do, see, think, feel, and behave, all as both deficits and credits toward the business. They are liabilities and they are assets. And your return on any investment that you give or make into this business will reap rewards. And that return on that investment is completely dependent upon your ability to pay attention. And that's crucial because you are always paying. Life, despite my complete and utter devotion to freedom, is not free because you are always paying. And you're either in that payment is always coming from you. So you are either paying that from you into you, or you are losing money and putting that elsewhere. And also go into paying attention in another video. But for now, I wanted to share with you that I always look at myself as a business. And I don't mean that in a business sense. I mean that this is my business, and that the only business I have that I have to manage is me. And everything else will just simply be a symptom of the mastering of this business. And if you can see yourself as mastering this, then everything else will be simple. Thank you. Namaste.